Follow this guide to install the super kilometer filter on your Audi e-tron SUV. This is the long cable option, so you can replace the device with a blind plug anytime in case you want to remove it, and you will not have to completely dismantle the dashboard every time. Start by pulling the steering wheel toward you. Then remove the fascia. Open the side panel and remove the other fascia. Split it and remove 2 screws inside of glove compartment. Remove the screw on the side and pull the panel down. Now remove 3 screws here to reach the cluster. The cluster has 2 screws, so remove these and then pull it towards you. Now unplug the cable, put the device into it, and plug it into the cluster. Pull the cable to the side panel for easy access in the future. Then all the parts can be assembled as they were. For activation, press the OK button for 10 seconds. Repeat the process to change modes. Mode 1. The kilometers are stopped at 100%. Mode 2. Only 5% of the actual mileage is recorded. Mode 3. Only 10% of the actual mileage is recorded. Alternatively, pull the high beam lever 4 times. Mode 4, the kilometers are counted at 100%.